Hi there, Laura Kennedy here with AirOne Hospitality. In case you find yourself at a vacation rental house that has a Trane thermostat, here is a very quick tutorial to show you how to navigate the system. If the system is idle, just tap on the screen to wake it up. And here you see the home screen. The big number here is the current temperature inside the house. The number over here shows you what the system is set to go to. And then it's got outside temperature as well as weather predictions for today. To change the temperature setting, simply push on either of the arrows up here. You want it cooler in the house, it's set to AC right now. Set the AC to go to 73 degrees. Down here, you can see what mode the system is currently in. It says it's cooling and it's set to 73 degrees. And so you will see this change in time. To change the mode between heat and cooling, simply press on the button down here, and then you can see it says auto, heating, cooling, and off. Simply push heating if you want to switch it to the heat mode, and then done. And now you can see the button over here changed to red, which means it's in the heating mode, and it's set to heat to 70 degrees. You can go higher and you'll see the system kick in. And now it's set to heat to 76 degrees. You can switch back to AC mode. It's a little warm here, so we're gonna go into cooling mode. Done. And there it switched back into cooling mode. Lower it. And there it's all set. The fan mode should always be in auto. That is the most efficient for the system and will work the best for you. There you go. Hope this video helped you easily navigate the Trane thermostats. Thanks for watching.